Yes, my people, good afternoon. I'm Mr. Indyman from the Indyman Show. I want to say thanks to all of my subscribers them. Thanks to all of the new subscribers them. Big up on yourself. And all the original subscribers who are along the channel. Big up on yourself. But I want to do a favor for me. I want to like, comment, and subscribe for all the new people who are past. And yeah, today we come for a reason about, you already know, so me a forward back a yard. And me have somebody comment in my inbox and say, Mr. Indyman, boy, I go back home to eat bulla and pear. People, me I eat bulla and pear in a foreign. So it's no different. Chicken back are one of my favorite meat. So me go back to Jamaica and eat mackerel and sardine and chicken back and bulla. That's right up my alley. And people, let me tell you something. You don't have to rich if you don't eat certain food. So don't think so, okay, people are foreign, don't eat mackerel and sardine and sachets. You make a sad mistake. You see what I say? So me I go to Jamaica go eat mackerel again, as me I eat in America. Me I go eat sardine, me I go eat egg, and me I go eat bulla and pear. Bread and pear and bread and butter. Let me tell you something, people. Going back to Jamaica is not about what you're going to eat. For me, it's a way of life. It's my peace and my health I'm defending. Me not defend nothing else. As me say in one of my vlog before, you don't have to go to Jamaica with millions of dollars. Because there is not enough money to go back to Jamaica with. You know how much years me say me want to go back home and me I say, okay, me not have enough. Wait till next year. Wait till next year. And me I say that for 10 years now, people, and can't have enough money. Because there is not enough money to make a move. I just you have to make up your mind and decide, say, you hear me? The time has come, and I feel like me I gather enough money, so it's time for me to cut out and go back to my country. It's simple as that. Because people go home with 1,000 US, in a couple of years, you can't believe at them. They make a way. You have people go down with 100,000 US, and in a 7 months, them broke. So people, and the money where you go home with, are your mindset. Is not the money where you go back home with, is your mindset. So if you plan to go home, go show off on people and buy a pretty car and show off, you already feel. You already feel. And you broke before you start. Me not have nobody to impress at Jamaica. So me I go back there and me I go integrate myself just like any regular normal Jamaican. When me there at Jamaica, me no want nobody at Jamaica ask if me there foreign. No, Jamaica, me they asking about Jamaica. That's what mess up all heap of people. Them a compare America to foreign. Oh, the Burger King there at Jamaica, the food there. What there like foreign? At $21 for a plate of oxtail in America. So when people are talking about, oh, Jamaica there than foreign, I lie them a tell. I lie them a tell. Most people don't want to go back home because them don't have nothing back home. And then throw a stone, and then throw a buckle, then throw grass, and then throw everything behind them. So that's why enough people don't want to go home. Enough people there with nothing people. Let me tell you, enough people don't want to tell you. Enough people there are foreign. I live like dog. No have nothing. No know where the next meal I come from, no know nothing. But if you talk them on the phone, them go like say them I live the best life in a foreign. When I lie them I tell people. I lie them I tell. Me live an average life in America. I live a working class life. Go to work, go to my yard, go hang out sometime, that's it. Not a millionaire in a foreign, nothing like that. But me make, when there's a will, there's a way. So me I make a way. Because me see there's a will, so me I make a way. You catch me I say? And I've been looking where I want to go for retire. I mean, I wait till me at 65 or 67 for retire. Me no in that something there, me no believe in that. So me I make a way. So me I go home and me I go invest in my country and me I return. So you call me a return resident and an investor. You see what I say? And people look out for the new restaurant when I open at Jamaica. Look out for it. And we are going to vlog. You don't know the thing go. You know me I say I'm busy, me I feel work and I take care of things and I buy things for ship home and all of them something there. So I'm kind of busy. I can't make video every single day, people. But when me get a chance to make video, I am going to make them and I'm going to post them. And just like them and share and subscribe and do all you want to do for other video. Just do it for that video too. Just do it for that channel there to people. You see what I say? But God is good, man, and life is good, and God give me an opportunity to come to America. I'm grateful for it. I'm wish if him could give more people, but me know say I know everybody I get to come to America. You see what I say? So me give God for the give thanks to God for what he have done for me. And he might make me see America, make me see what the hype is about. And now it's time for me to go home to live a better, calmer and a peaceful life out of the hustle and the bustle. And you know the fast life of America. You see what I say? So that's just where my thing at. And if you don't feel the same way to big up on yourself, man, you chop yourself, man. Watch it. Yeah, if you don't feel the same way, big up on yourself too. And it's a good day and big up on yourself.